So guys, guess what? Today happens to be day 24 of our design challenge. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional wedding flyer design using just your smartphone from start to finish. All you need to do is for you to watch this video till the end, because I'll be sharing tips and techniques you can use anytime you want to create a professional wedding flyer design. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first thing first, click on this icon at the right top corner of your phone, go to image size, change the width to 1028. Beautiful. Remember to change the color of your background to white. It is important you do so. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be importing the original design because I have a few things to say before we create the design. Now, the reason why I want to create this design, or recreate this design rather, is because of the person I want to celebrate. I want to take this opportunity to celebrate Mr. Niyi Amuda. This is the person I'm talking about. If you are familiar with YouTube, you agree with me that Niyi Amuda's TV has been a great source of inspiration to us. I mean, graphic designers, most especially people that design with their smartphone. Mr. Niyi Amuda has shared so much knowledge with us for free on his YouTube channel. In case you don't know him, do well to go to his channel, search for Niyi Amuda's TV. He has really helped me, sincerely. He has really inspired me in my journey as a creative, and I want to take this opportunity to appreciate you. I know you'll be watching this tutorial video because I'm going to tag you when I'll be uploading it on YouTube. So I want you all to celebrate him. If you know that Mr. Niyi Amuda has contributed to your growth, a source of inspiration, a beacon of encouragement, lastly, if he has impacted your skill, please appreciate him. So this is what I want us to do. Sorry, I'm taking much of your time. This video is dedicated to him, so please don't be annoyed. For those of you that will be leaving a comment in the comment section, this is what I want you to write. Congratulations, sir. Then you tag him, Niyi Amuda's TV. I'm going to show you how you are supposed to comment in the comment section. So thank you so much. Now let's continue. So this is the background of the design. Click on your good icon. Now go to relative size, stretch it. It's not enough. We'll have to do it manually now. Okay, stretch it this way. Okay, this is beautiful. Yeah, position it this way. Click on your good icon and go to color filters. Increase the brightness. Yeah, touch the saturation, and don't forget to touch the contrast. Very important. Yeah, this is amazing. And go ahead and do what? Lock it. So I'll be importing the picture of Mr. Niyi Amuda and the wife, Mrs. Princess Amuda. So guys, this is the picture. Crop this part out. Yeah, now stretch it. Go ahead and stretch it. Okay, let's reduce it a little. Reduce it again. Okay, increase it a little. Let's see. Okay, this is okay. So take it down. And don't forget to do what? Copy it. Delete the one behind and bring this image down a little. Yeah, this is okay. Let me increase the intensity of my brightness. Yeah. So guys, we'll be working on this image. Go to color filters, increase the brightness, touch the saturation a little, then the contrast a little. This is okay. Now lock it. Please, let's adjust the setting on our background. Reduce the brightness a little. Okay, no, leave it at 3. Now for the saturation, reduce it. Yes. Now for the contrast, reduce it a little. This is okay. This is okay. I noticed that the effect was much, so I needed to readjust the effect so that it won't affect the design in any way. So we're going to be importing save the date right now. I mean the write-up. So guys, this is the write-up. Click on your good icon. Hope you can see it. Now increase it. Okay, let's see. Go to crop. think we cropped, yeah, we cropped that side out. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is okay. Now for their picture, please, let's adjust it a little. Like I said earlier, this video is dedicated to Mr. Niyi Amuda. I know you'll be shocked to see this video, sir. This is my own way of saying thank you for your impact. Thank you so much for impact. Thank you so much for those times you encouraged me, those times that we would talk and talk. You really contributed to my growth. I'm talking about my YouTube growth. Thank you so much. Time will fail me to talk about the things you shared with me, or to, in fact, words are not enough to measure the level of impact you made on my channel. Sincerely, words are not enough. Okay, let's reduce the brightness. Yes. So whenever you are designing, you just have to use your head. I've been saying this and I'll continue to say it. Hope you can see the effects now. It looks better than the way it was. Okay, now centralize it. Make sure it's at the center. Beautiful. So go ahead and do what? Lock it. This video is not going to be long. Yeah, it's not going to be long. So we'll be adding some shadows. So click on draw. Yeah, this way. I believe that many of you are familiar with what I'm doing. I don't want to take much of your time. It's a simple design. Yeah, a very simple design. So place it here. You get my point. So copy it, place it here. Copy it, place it here. Okay, copy it again, place it here. So the next thing I want you to do is for you to take that picture up. Take it up. Just take it up. Okay, so take it up. Okay, so take it up a little. I think this is more than enough. This is a simple design. Now let's go ahead and write their names. Yeah. Okay, we'll be writing Niyi and Princess. Okay, beautiful. Now stretch it. Okay, it's okay. Go to color. Click on your plus icon. Go to color picker. We'll be picking the color from here. Hope you can see this. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. So go to font. We'll be using a peculiar font, and that font is 6L. If you don't have this font, please go and download it. I don't see the reason why you shouldn't have this font. Like, go and download it now. Leave what you are doing and go and download this font. I think we should make the color light. So go to color, click on your plus icon. Let's make it light. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is okay. It's okay. So I intentionally didn't put that love icon. I know many of you might be saying, "Sir, that love stuff, you didn't put it." You'll be the one to put it. You get my point. I can't do everything for you guys now. Please, I've tried for you guys. You go on now. You have to go to Pinterest and download it. Yes, I just want to dedicate this video to Niyi Amuda TV. So please, the comment should be "Congratulations, sir." Then you will tag his YouTube channel. Please follow my instruction. I'll be happy if you do this. I want us to tag him. You understand me? Let's tag him. You get my point? Let's tag him on YouTube so that he'll be like, "What's going on? Why are people tagging me?" Yeah. So he'll be forced to come and watch the video. You understand? So please do well to tag him. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to go about it. Yeah, I'll be, while editing this video, I'm going to show you how to go about it. I'll put it on the screen so that you'll not be confused. I'm talking about people that are always commenting, likes of James, Ijoma, thank you so much. I've been seeing your comment. Goswill, thank you so much. Who else? Many of you. Decency, thank you so much. Authority, thank you so much. Mr. Dalu Graphics, thank you so much. Favor JC, thank you so much. Who else? Sorry if I didn't mention your name, but for those of you that have been commenting, I'm really grateful. From the depth of my heart, I'm saying thank you. Thank you. Even though I didn't mention your name, you still have a place. You still have a special place in my heart. Like a special place in my heart. I wouldn't have come this far without you guys. So I'm really grateful. Thank you so much. You don't know what it means for someone to comment on your video. People are not obligated to comment on your video. Yeah, as a content creator, nobody on earth is obligated to comment on your video. If they choose not to comment, nothing will happen. I mean nothing will happen. So each time I see your comment, it encourages me a lot. I feel very, very happy. It means that I've been making impact. One of the ways you guys have appreciated me for the impact I've made on your skill, for the impact I've made on your skill since this challenge began, is through the comments. I'm really grateful. Like, I'm sincerely grateful. Very, very grateful. Very, very grateful. So I'm almost done with this design. Let's try the venue. So go to your plus icon. Okay. Now for the scoreboard, I know many of you say, boss, I've stopped uploading the scoreboard. See, it is not easy to do that thing. I will have to go through everybody's design. But this is what I'm going to do. After the design challenge, I'm going to release the scoreboard from the day I stopped till the final day. And on the last day, you're going to see the people that emerged as the winners. Understand? So don't worry, you are still going to see the scoreboard. Just keep creating the designs. On the last day, you might see your name, you might not see your name. So I will encourage you not to give up. Keep doing what you are doing. You understand? Okay, this is beautiful. Now let's reduce it this way. Okay, I'll go to size, reduce it. Okay, so bring it down. Wow, we still need to reduce it. Please reduce. So place it where here. That's not all. Go to font. We'll be using this font, Montserrat. Yeah. So stretch it. Place it here. And go to color. Give it this color. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, still go back to size, reduce it a little. Yeah, this is good. Now go back to font. There's something I want to teach you guys. Let's make the font heavy. So we'll be using Montserrat semi-bold. Now for the venue, we'll drop the weight of the font. Follow me. What we're going to use here is Montserrat medium. Okay, go back to font. Let's see. Did it work? Yeah. Semi-bold. Okay, go back to font again. Now for this one, for the venue, drop it. Yeah, let's see. It refused to work, or I don't know why it's not working on my own, but it is supposed to work. Try it. Just try it. So copy it, go to edit. Okay, so hashtag. Okay, hashtag ni princess, then hashtag again. What am I spelling? Hope I'm correct. Princess. Yeah, you guys don't know that it's not easy for you to recreate a design. Yes, I'm looking at the original design while typing this thing. I have two devices. Okay, so bring it down. Now we're going to drop the weight of this font. So go to font. Let's change it to medium. Yeah, this is good. So go to relative position. Make sure it's at the center and reduce the size. Yeah. So centralize it again. Go to position, bring it down. So that's not all. Then go to line spacing. Sorry about that, not line spacing. Spacing. Yes, something like this. Now go to relative position again, centralize it. Let's see. That's all. We are literally done with this design. So remember to do what? To download the love icon so you can use it. I didn't use it here. I didn't use it because I didn't download it. So remember to do what? Download it and edit the design. That's final editing. You can retouch it. Please leave a comment in the comment section. And the comment should be what? Congratulations. Then you tag congratulations, sir. Then you tag me Amuda. That's what I want to see in my comment section. So thank you so much. My name is Victor and the name of my brand is Vixen Tech Global. Do all to watch the next video that will appear on your screen. Like, comment, and equally share this video with a friend. If you have done that, thank you so much. I love you guys. See you tomorrow, which happens to be day 25.